Hey, this is Keith at Half Tracks and Honeybees. And just out here looking at this sumac bush, tree, whatever it is. And we got lots of little bumblebees. There's wasps, there's honeybees. We got a few hornets flying around trying to catch some honeybees. But this whole bush is just alive with little critters. Let's give it a little shake and look at it. Not much is blooming right now. This is about the only game in town is the sumac. So it's like the buffet at Golden Corral is open for all the pollinators. And there's a couple of hornets.